guys, and officially happy Sunday. Should we take bets on how many days in a row I can eat the same thing? Today we're on day 3. Let's see how long it goes. I accidentally forgot to film before I started, but this is what it looks like once it's all ready to go. And then I already took a bite out of this one. So I popped the yolk and so that it gets throughout, but oh my gosh, this is so good. And of course I have an audience. Every meal, I have an audience. All right, time to make some drinks this morning. So I'm making 3 of the moringa shots, and then I'm also making matcha lattes. So for the moringa shot, already measured the water, put it in there, adding in a teaspoon. Now let's make a matcha latte. I'm using the Chamberlain Coffee Matcha, and I'm just gonna put a pretty good sized spoonful, maybe a little extra. And then I use organic light agave. So I'm gonna put a pretty good squirt in each of them. And then I'm gonna add just a little bit of almond milk at first, just so that I can mix it up. Then I'm gonna fill up about halfway with almond milk, about 3/4 actually. Yeah, that looks about right. And the straws, and voila. Now I think we are going to head to Old Sacramento, and we're going to go to, why do I feel like, oh my gosh, that's the top of this. I thought that was my hair sticking out. Okay, we're good. We're gonna go to Old Sacramento. We're gonna go to, I think it's called the Olive Mix, and it's basically an olive oil store, and you can taste all the different olive oils. If you guys remember, a few weeks ago, we had gone olive oil tasting, and we were trying to like find a new olive oil because we always get olive oil from this one specific winery that also makes like olive oil and balsamics, and it's super good, but we're hoping to mix it up and get something different. Oh, thank you. So this one is a chili one. We just tried the walnut. I like that. It has a good kick.
Habanero one?
Habanero one. Oh, it smells spicy, like in a good way. That's really good. Ooh, oh, that does have a kick. Okay, so this habanero one that we just tried, very hot. This would be really good with like the pasta, like the spicy pasta that we do with olive oil. So I think we're going to be getting a small one of these, but let's keep going because we might find something else we like. Look how many there are throughout this store. It's crazy. Yeah? I mean, so many. I have to try, which one is it?
Oh my god.
What is it?
Pineapple white balsamic.
Pineapple white balsamic.
I love that. That's so good.
Let's give it a go. Holy crap.
That's bomb.
I hate pineapple, but this is the best thing I've ever tasted.
That's,
It reminds me of the fig one.
yeah, but better.
Whoa, we're getting a big one of that. All right, which one are you tasting?
I don't know. This is butter.
You're trying the butter one?
I didn't think you could infuse butter with olive oil.
Neither did I, but here we go. What do you think? It's no, straight to the trash. We've been gifted bread to go with it.
You know how we use
Okay.
the oil butter to cook
Yeah.
popcorn kernels?
Yeah.
That actually would be good.
All right, let's try it together. Cheers. The lemon really comes through. Honestly, actually, all I tasted was lemon. Maybe a little bit of oregano. What about you?
I just taste lemon.
Okay, we're gonna try the basil one. Uh-oh. That's wonderful.
Is it?
Yeah, do you want to put your bread in there?
This one's pretty good too.
I think that one would be really good, like drizzled on, like bruschetta, or even like on a pasta.
Yeah.
This one I really like. Our purchase has been made. We went and fed the meter again, and now we are on our way to go wine tasting. I always love these horse-drawn carriages. So we're gonna go wine tasting somewhere that we went a few years ago and we didn't like it, but you know what? It's been so long, we're gonna try it again. All right, here we go. So down here, oh, there's a pizza place. And then this is a Mexican restaurant, which actually kind of looks like it might have gone out of business. And then we have the underground tasting room.
They closed.
They closed? Like permanently? We regret to inform you that the underground tasting room has closed its doors. Oh my gosh, I have memories right there.
Well, they opened up in Placerville.
Well, it's probably a better location, honestly. Well, with that in mind, where next? All right, we are leaving Old Sacramento and we're heading into downtown to go to a regular wine bar. If everything else is closed, we're gonna make the most of it. We already paid for parking, so we're just gonna walk on over. It's like a 2-minute walk, nothing bad. And we're gonna go there. So this is the wine bar we try to go to, but it has gone out of business, but there is a sign saying coming soon. So something is taking its spot, but man, businesses are turning over so quick. What is it?
Cabana Club.
A Cabana Club. Oh. So the other wine bar closed also. So we decided instead just to come to Prest, and we're gonna get a couple juices and call it a day. So we are back and wanted to give you a quick little haul of what we got from the olive mix. So we got 3 different items. And also, I was just talking to my mom about how disappointing it is that so many businesses have gone out of business. So really a bummer, but because of that, we are back. So the first thing that I got, or we got, is Picul. Picul, this is a Portuguese style extra virgin olive oil. So this is what it looks like, and there's the name. And again, we got it from the olive mix. And then we got the pomegranate balsamic vinegar. And there we go. And this one is a slightly smaller size. And then we got one more item here, and this one is the basil infused olive oil. Look at that. So this one tasted really, really good, but just in case we didn't always want like basil, we have just this one, which is a classic olive oil. So the basil one, we got a slightly smaller size, and then we got the same size in the balsamic. So we have 2 smalls and a medium. They also had the large one. The large one was practically the size of like a wine bottle, and we just didn't need that. So this is what we went with. Okay, so we just finished booking our entire Carmel and Monterey trip. I am so excited. We have figured out literally hour by hour exactly what we're doing, all the sites, all the activities, booked what we needed to book, and I am so excited. This is gonna be such a good trip, and I can't wait to bring you guys along. So we did decide it is about dinner time. It is 4:45 right now. So we have decided that we are gonna do the Marry Me chicken, which you guys may remember from a vlog maybe like last month or something. So per usual, I am going to be homemaking my pasta. So I use a recipe from online that I will link below, but basically 2 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, half a tablespoon of olive oil, and 3 eggs. And then I'm just gonna mix it all together, let the dough sit for 30 minutes, and then it's time to start rolling out. So it is a very, very simple recipe, but it is delicious and comes out perfect every single time. Hello, so we just finished cleaning and dinner was so freaking good. We made the Marry Me chicken, as you guys saw, and if you ever want to make it, I always have it linked in the description below, and most of the recipes that I ever make, I pretty much have linked in the description. If I ever miss anything, let me know and I will let you know where I got the recipe or how to make it. You never have to guess. We are not here to gatekeep, guys. We're here to share the wealth of knowledge. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe below, give us a big thumbs up, and don't forget to tune next week for another new video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.